Hello, this is Chris with ElevateNet. We're actually doing a point-to-point long-range wireless link in about middle Ohio. So we're up on a local grain lake. We found out there is actually fiber optic high-speed internet access to a local town, however nothing by the agricultural installation that we're doing. So I'll flip around a little bit so you can kind of see what we have going on. I just finished setting up the dish here over my shoulder, and we're shooting off the distance of the large farm. You can see it's probably about 4 miles down the road. So we're doing this 5 gigahertz bridge, like I said, point to point over to it, so we're able to bring the internet access from where it actually exists out to where it's needed. From there, we're actually deploying a large camera network and a number of different things for the end client. It should be a pretty good overall setup once we're done. I'll do a couple different videos on the other side and go over everything we've done. My name's Chris with ElevateNet. Thanks for watching.